What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Hope you guys been great. In this video I am going to be talking about 5 things that I love about my car. It's a 2018 Audi TTRS. I've been wanting to do a video like this for a while, and I found today is a good day to do it, even though it's very cloudy outside and it was snowing earlier. But I'm out here at my favorite viewpoint. I love it. There's enough light outside right now to be doing a video, which is good, even though it's very cloudy. But yeah, I'm gonna be talking about 5 things I love about this car, and I'm gonna leave a lot of things out because, like I said, there's a lot of things I can talk about this car. I can keep going on and on and on. I just love this car. But let's get right into the video. So the first thing I like about my Audi TTRS is the body shape, just the chassis in general. It is a very unique Audi compared to all the other Audis. A lot of Audis look very similar. The TTRS, if you see it, a lot of people think, oh, it's an Audi R8 when they see it, driving up to them from far. But if you know cars, you'll know that, oh, that's an Audi TTRS. But for example, an S4 and a S3, if you look at them coming up from far, I don't know about all you, but me, you can't really tell unless they get closer. Oh, that's a S3, or oh, that's an S4. But these are very unique, especially the rear end. Really love how sharp it looks, while it also has some round characteristics. And with the things I plan on adding, it'll look a lot more aggressive and more, it'll give it more character and it'll look more sharp. Very glad I went with the 2018. So there's more and more support coming out for the exterior, as far as front lips, canards, spoilers, diffusers, etc, etc. Although this is an RS model already, I really love the diffuser. Even though it's a stock factory diffuser, it's very, very aggressive. Honestly, it's a diffuser that I would keep, to be honest. Even though I am upgrading it to a more aggressive looking one, that is a diffuser that I would consider keeping. But coming around the car, other things that look aggressive is, if you have the black optics package, which this one does, it has this in black and goes all the way over here, and that also gives it a more aggressive look to the body. And that goes with the first thing that I said. Really love the exterior of the car, the body. Number 2 on the list is the steering wheel. The Audi TTRS steering wheel, unlike other TT models, the steering wheel is similar but not exactly the same. For example, they don't have the drive select right there, and the start stop engine button in red as well right here, and as well as the Alcantara's suede. This is an option right here. I got mine in gray, and got the gray accents on my car, the stitching on the seats as well. And yeah, like I said, the steering wheel, very, very comfortable. I am getting it custom made, so I'm gonna end up shipping this out, or purchasing one and getting that one shipped out and getting that one customized, and then I'll be selling this one, and it'll look a lot better. We'll have carbon fiber and stuff like that. But yeah, the steering wheel, even though it is in factory form, very aggressive, very comfortable. I love the Alcantara and the stitching, even though you can, like I said, you can get it in red or blue as well. But yeah, that's something I very, very much considered when I bought this car as well. Love it. I look forward to it every day when I'm driving. Gonna be driving the car. Very comfortable steering wheel, the steering, everything. The red accents on the RS badge, the black on the paddle shifters, everything. It just, with the silver trim, even though I believe I might not have silver trim on my custom steering wheel, there are a lot of German vehicles that have steering wheels that I don't like. For example, I don't like Mercedes steering wheels, Porsche steering wheels. For example, I like the BMW M steering wheel. That is another steering wheel I very much adore. It's a beautiful steering wheel, but I really love how the steering wheel looks. A lot of people think when they see it that I'm driving an Audi R8, even though this is very far from an Audi R8. It has very, very similar looks. It misses some things, but it is a good alternative if you are looking to buy a car that has an aggressive, sporty, luxurious looking steering wheel like this. The third thing I love about this car is also in the interior, and it is the virtual cockpit. This is one of the things when I bought this car, you know what? I want a digital dash, digital instrument cluster, virtual cockpit, whatever it may be called. The speedometer has to be digital. And as you can see, the whole RPM thing, it just looks very, very sporty. There's another thing, people think that I'm driving an Audi R8 because of the virtual cockpit, but it's not an Audi R8. But yeah, I really love it. It has everything right here that I need. Very minimalized. I don't need an extra screen right here. Everything's just right in front of me. If I push this, backup camera right in front of me. Works very well. Turns everything. Will never be hitting anything because it's right in my point of view, right in front of me. I really love it. It's very minimalized, like I said. When I was buying this car, I was happy that there wasn't a lot everywhere. So, especially the screen, how there's this right here and that. It's just extra weight, even though it doesn't weigh much. It's just extra things that I don't really need in front of me. And this does it perfectly. So the fourth thing will be basically adding to what else I like to the interior of this car other than the steering wheel and the virtual cockpit. So the few things that I love from the interior that really stand out to me are the air vents and the AC system. So this chooses whatever that is pointing up, the air is going to be shot up, etc, etc. The AC is used by these little buttons that are on the vents, unlike many other cars, especially the seat warmers. You could just click that off or on or adjust it. I love it. It's just very convenient. When people see it and they're in my car, they're like, whoa, like I've never seen that before. And just how these vents look, love it. There's actually a package you can get where they're colored around. It's an additional feature when you are buying the car or building it, ordering it. Coming around to the side, the Alcantara on the side of the doors. It's on this side as well. Love it. It's not something I really pay attention to. But it stands out when you look at it. You're like, whoa. It's not plastic. It's not metal. No fake plastic. Just like this, real carbon fiber. And the seats, love it. The diamond stitching is one of my favorite things from the interior. It looks very luxurious. That's another thing about this car. Very sporty, very fast, but it also has the luxury inside while being very minimalistic. Doesn't have to have everything. Doesn't have to have everything right in front of you. It doesn't need to have all the extra luxury like a sunroof, cooled seats, massage seats, things like that. Just very minimalistic. Another thing I like about the seats is the trim right here. Very dark. You can see it's glossy, stands out, makes the seat look a little bit more luxurious. And well, the seats being very, very comfortable as well. They feel like they come into your body, and they actually do come into your body. As a matter of fact, when you're sitting on the passenger or the driver's seat while you're driving, you'll just feel the seat kind of come back. it's hard to explain, but the seat will come back and it'll kind of shrink a little bit and it'll kind of adjust to your body. So the last thing on the list is something I know some of you were watching this video and thinking, why hasn't he mentioned this? But it is the exhaust and all the beautiful sounds this car makes. If you haven't heard the car already, this is what it sounds like. Let me make sure that it is in sport. Okay, so that button right here opens the exhaust valve and puts it in a sport. It does have a soft limiter, which sucks, but it still sounds good regardless. I believe the soft limiter is 4,500 RPMs or 5,000 RPMs, but the car sounds a lot better when you're driving it and it's going through gears. And I'm gonna show you guys right now what that sounds like. That 5-cylinder in this car sounds amazing. I love it. Like half of a V10. Even though it is turbocharged, it's not naturally aspirated. And those burbles, those pops, very natural. I love it. And how fast it shifts with that sound. This car would not sound the same without that DSG direct shift gearbox dual clutch transmission. It's a must for this car, and I'm very glad that they used a dual clutch for this car when they made it. And the turbocharger, how you can hear it even in stock form spool up, it sounds amazing paired with that 5-cylinder sound, and you gotta love it. It got very cold all of a sudden, but I think that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I love making videos like this and just showing people why they should buy this car. It's a very lovable car, very slept on as well. But yeah, like I said, that is gonna be it for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot more content like this, and the more you guys like my videos, the more it motivates me to keep going and doing more and just showing people the life I live and bringing out more content. But yeah, guys, hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.